In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and add images in Miro. If you're looking to enhance your Miro boards with rich visuals, you're in the right place. Let's get started by exploring a few simple steps that will enable you to easily incorporate images into your projects. First, let's navigate to your Miro board. Once there, direct your attention to the toolbar where you'll find an option labeled Tools, Media, and Integrations. Go ahead and give that a click. It's your primary gateway to update your board with various visual elements. Now, in the menu that pops up, look for an option that says Upload and click on that. This initiates the process of transferring files from your computer to Miro. It's a seamless way to integrate your locally stored images directly onto your board. After you've clicked Upload, you'll see another prompt pop up. From this menu, select My Device. This option allows Miro to connect with your personal device and access files you wish to upload. Time to choose the image you want to feature. A file upload menu should appear on your screen, allowing you to browse your device's storage. Select your desired image and confirm your choice so Miro can begin the upload process. This might take a couple of seconds, depending on your internet speed and the size of the file. Now, if you'd like an alternative method, Miro offers a different route to upload media images. You can click on a plus sign that appears when you hover over the board's edge. This opens up additional options that might come in handy, especially if you're looking to mix it up a bit. Once you've hit the plus sign, go ahead and click on the apps list. This area showcases various applications that are integrated with Miro, allowing for more diverse and creative board additions. Within the apps list, look for images and icons, and click on that. This resource-rich section offers various visual elements that you might find useful for your board. After selecting images and icons, you can choose any image you wish to use. Browse through the options, and when you find one that suits your needs, simply select it. Finally, with the selected image, you just need to click and drag. Moving your cursor onto the board allows you to position the image wherever it's required. This drag and drop flexibility ensures you can optimize your visual layout effortlessly. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded and added images to your Miro board. With these visuals in place, your boards can now enhance communication, capture attention, and overall improve the aesthetics and effectiveness of your presentations. Thank you for following along, and I hope this enhances your Miro experience.